Hello everybody. Greetings from Seven Sense Talent Solutions. We hope everybody is doing well and good. So today we will be talking about the job opportunity that is offered by the company called Simply Learn. So also we are going to talk about how to apply for the drive which will be conducted in the coming days. So let us move on to that now. So, to speak about the company, it's a edtech platform, edtech company which is offering e-learning platform. So, before moving on to the JD job profile and the job description, let me just update you some of the points that is if you want to get the job opportunities daily, please subscribe to our Telegram and YouTube channel where we post more than one job opportunity per day. So link are in the descriptions below. You can join our group. So now to talk about the Simply Learn. Simply Learn is one of the most leading company in the edtech platform. So it is offering e-learning to all the students as well as to the everybody. So it mostly concentrates on teaching platform. So it would be good if you have some knowledge in the teaching and all. So coming to the responsibilities, there is not much responsibilities you should be aware of, but you should be smart enough to lead your way in the company. So coming to the desired candidate profile. So how the candidate should be? The candidate, Simply Learn says that the candidate must have basic knowledge of programming languages as well. So and they should be B graduates. So here if we come to the education qualification, what Simply Learn is mentioning is that the candidate should be BTech background and they should be in CSIT branches. They should be from CSIT branches. So and also they have said that there should be no backlog in after graduation. There should be no backlogs. So salary package they are offering in the initial stage is 3.5 lakh per annum. So mode of joining will be work from home. That is since due to the pandemic they have decided to give you the most appropriate way to join. That is the work from home, and date of joining is immediate. If you are ready to join today after clearing the selection process, you are welcome to join. And the job location is HSR Layout, Bangalore. So very convenient place to join as well. So now let us move on to how to apply for this job role. So this link and the promo code has been given below in the description. Please click on the link and copy the promo code, and if you apply this promo code during the checkout, you can get the job at free of cost. So now in the link below given, so please click on that link. So if we click on that link, so it will take you to the window where you can apply for this job role. So here you can see it is saying add to cart. So here you should click on add to cart. Then you should click on checkout. So then next, so please mention your name and mobile number so that we can get to you and we can communicate with you if you are selected for the next rounds of the interview. So now here promo code, you have to type the promo code which is given below in the description. Please type it or you can copy paste it also, no problem. Click on apply. So you will end up getting it at zero cost. So you will get the job opportunity at zero cost. So now you can click to proceed to payment. So it will show you that your transaction has been done and the job opportunity is free of cost and you have purchased it. Click on continue. So it will take you to the main page where you can apply for this job role. So here it again says some of the links they have given. where you can subscribe to our channel and you can get the job opportunities free of cost every day. So now if you click on the about the company, you can see how big is the company and how the company is doing its performance in the market. So the designation they have mentioned, learning designer, and so responsibilities, design candidate profile, and then education qualification, salary, mode of joining, work from home. So date of joining immediate, job location Bangalore. So they are asking you to upload the CV. So please click on choose file and upload the CV and click on after uploading the CV. So click on submit assignment. So now they are asking you to upload your photo. So this photo will be directly sent to the company. So please upload your photo. After uploading, you should click on submit assignment. So now you can add the video of yourself explaining why you are interested in this job role at Simplilearn, so that the company can decide you for the next rounds of the interview looking at your communication skill. So at last you can see the registration form available here. If you click on the registration form, this is the registration form which has been given to you to fill. So here you have to fill your email address, your full name, phone number, your gender, current city, where are you located right now, where are you staying. Due to this pandemic, many will be in their native place, so please mention where currently you are staying. So your highest qualification, since it is for the B candidates, you can choose B, you can write B or B Tech. So branch, and they have specified that the candidate should be from the CS or IT branch, so you have to select any one of them. If you are from CS, you have to select it CS. If you are from IT, you have to select IT. In your college name, you have to type your college name also. 10th percentage or CGPA, as well as your 12th, as well as your degree percentage or CGPA, whatever is convenient to you, you can enter that. So they are asking, do you have any backlogs? So previously we saw that the company has specified particularly that graduates should not have any backlogs. So you have to click on no if you don't have any backlogs. So rate your communication skills. So you have to rate your communication skill. So here it is asking, did you upload the video? So previously I told you to upload the video of yourself explaining about why you are interested in this job role. So you have to upload that video, and it is asking, did you upload the video? So click on yes, click on submit. After submitting it, your response will be recorded with us and it will be directly sent to the company. So after submitting it, once we send it to the company, what happens is they will collect your data from us, and they will see whoever is eligible and who are from who don't have the backlogs and all. So based on that, they filter out, and then they will call you. Either they will call you or they will email you directly. So please keep checking your emails regularly. So I wish that we will bring some more videos how to for different companies for you, so that you can apply for many job roles as much as you can. So we wish you all the best for the future endorsement. So thank you. So thank you from the Seven Sense as well.